Hello everyone, welcome to Design Algorithm. I am Shelly and today we are going to see rotate command in AutoCAD. Rotate is another important tool that we need to work efficiently in AutoCAD. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use it. If you look at my screen, you will see that I have got a drawing that represents a clock. Let's start up by rotating this hand. To do that, we are going to use rotate command, which you can find in the modify toolbar, which you have to click to activate the command, or you can type RO and hit enter to do the same. I will then click the object that I want to rotate and click enter or space bar. Now AutoCAD wants a base point. The base point is the point where I am going to rotate my object around. In this case, I would like to rotate it around the center of this end. You have to pick the O snap carefully, as you can see that AutoCAD is suggesting all the running object snaps that are closest to my cursor. So I will click when it is showing center O snap. Now all I have to do is specify the angle. I could pick a point on screen or I could type in a value. I am going to type 30 to rotate it to 30 degrees and hit enter. If you give a positive angle, your entities will rotate counterclockwise. To rotate it clockwise, you have to give a negative angle. Let's launch the command again to check its sub-options. I will click the icon again and select the hand again. Hit enter. Select the center as base point. Now before giving an angle, take a look at the command line. Notice I have got a sub-option of copy. That means I can create a rotated copy of my original. So to take this sub-option, you can either click on the sub-option or you can activate it by right-clicking and then clicking copy. And I would like to rotate my copy at 80 degrees clockwise, so I am going to type negative 80 and hit enter. Now that we have got the basic idea how it works, let's try and use it in a practical example. I am going to pan and zoom into this area where I have got an example of an architectural drawing of a residence. Notice that in this bedroom right up here, I have got a symbol for bed. I would like to have a bed in my second bedroom right here. I will first create a copy of this bed. For that, I will launch the copy command. Will select the bed. Now where should I pick it up from? I am going to pick it up from right here. This way my running object snaps won't get in my way. I will place it in the room and hit escape. Will zoom in a little bit in this area. Now I would like to rotate it so that the headboard is along this wall. I am going to come up and launch the rotate command. Now I will select the bed and hit enter. And we have to give it a point where we want to rotate our object around. I would like to rotate it around the middle of the bed. So I will click a point somewhere in the middle. And we are going to give it an angle negative 90 as we want it to rotate clockwise. Now let's place it precisely 6 inches away from this side and 6 inches away from this side. I am going to launch the move command, select the geometry and hit enter. I am going to pick it up from endpoint here and I am going to use temporary tracking to place this. For that I will type TK, then enter, and then I am going to guide AutoCAD where this bed should be placed. I am going to start from this endpoint here and then I am going to come up and type 6 inches and then I am going to pull to the left and type 6 inches and then enter. Now I am where I want to be. I will hit enter to place the bed. Hope you liked the video, and if you did and want to see more from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go and share it with your friends. Thanks a lot.